Hello and welcome back to Trains Up North. Now this is just a short follow-up video, so it's a little bit of a bonus for you. A while ago I did a video on track rubbers and things like that, and I was really shocked to find that after I'd used track rubbers I appeared to have metal fragments that were magnetic on the track. And the only thing I could think of is it had come from the track rubbers. So following on from that video, I was given this. It's the newest Hornby track rubber. Product code is there for you. It's R8087. So what I'm going to do is just try it, because apparently it's better than the old ones and it definitely doesn't contain any metal. So what I'm going to do is just rub or run this magnet over the track first, and hopefully you'll see that there's nothing on there. I'll do it on the other track as well. And again, there's absolutely nothing on there. Just run it over the middle. And it's completely clean. So we'll unpack this. I'd just like to take this time to thank everyone that's subscribed. I've now got over 400 subscribers, which, yeah, it's amazing. If you haven't done, then you can subscribe by clicking the button, and then you don't miss any videos or bonus videos like this. So I'm just going in little circles. Oh, it's certainly taking all the muck off the track. I've got a little bit that's stubborn there, so I'm just going backwards and forwards over that. We'll do the other line as well. I've said previously the reason I do it in circles is so I don't get grooves in the track rubber, because you've paid for the full track rubber, so why just use a little bit of it? I haven't paid for this one. It was a freebie, so again, thank you Tim for that. And I can actually see, I'm going to zoom in and see whether the camera will pick it up. Don't think it will. But I can actually see small scratches on the track, so it does scratch the track. No, the camera's not going to zoom in enough for that. But yeah, it does scratch the track a little bit, as per the others. What have we got there? We have got something on there. It's actually a piece of ballast. I don't know why it's picked up a piece of ballast. What have we got on there? Not much. Yeah, there's nothing on that. It's not a piece of ballast. When I've done it, there's bits of things like that white, which I think's plaster or Das modelling clay, that's managed to contaminate my ballast. It was actually that on the magnet, which I think is probably because that is quite soft. I don't think Das modelling clay or plaster's metallic, so I think it's just because it's soft. As the magnet's gone over, it's just adhered to it. So yeah, there is a little bit of residue left on the track, but in my next video on track cleaning we'll address that using various chemical products that'll lift all that rubbish off. But yeah, this new track rubber, it's got a bit of bend in it, and it does feel like a rubber, like an eraser, and as you can see, it's not left any bits of metal on the track, so bonus. Like I said, a couple of scratches but no metal, so yeah, I might use that when I need to do a large area quite quickly. That track rubber actually does smell a bit like rubber as well. That's all I've got for you today, so a nice short one. I have been quite busy doing some more bits on the layout. As you can see, I've been continuing with the ballasting. It's a large layout, so it's taken me ages, especially as I need to put in the cable troughing and things like that. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. If you haven't seen the original video, there should be a link at the top of the screen now, so you might want to go and watch that. Like I said, I have got the next one coming out soon, which will be on chemical track cleaning as opposed to mechanical. So yeah, it's all go, and I just want to say thank you again to all of you for all your support. It's been amazing. Yeah, we're almost 12 months old on the channel, so to get like 400 odd subscribers at the time of filming, it hopefully will have gone up by the time you actually watch this. But yeah, thanks, and until next time, goodbye.